How to juice for joy from the inside out. Mm. Color is frequency. Red juices ground you. Oranges spark creativity. Green heals your heart. Yellow juices bring clarity and focus. Purple juices calm your mind. Choose your juice by the emotion or the chakra that you're nurturing that day. Speak life into your juice. Don't just juice mechanically. Bless your ingredients. You are feeding my joy. You are hydrating my glow. Energy transfers through intention. Sip with presence. Drink it slowly with gratitude. Let your senses participate. Taste it, smell it, feel the texture. Presence transforms hydration into meditation. Greetings, high vibrations. It's LaLa, your high vibe coach, and welcome to day 8 of Growvember. Today we are talking about how one simple glass of nature's energy can flip your whole mood, your mindset, and your magnetism. Y'all know I be juicing, and I'm telling you, it is deeper than vitamins. When I drink juice, I feel alive. My mood shifts, my thoughts get clear, my body feels lighter. Joy isn't random, it is a frequency. And what you put in, what you drink, what you eat, it does affect what you think. Your body speaks the language of color, texture, and vibration. So when you drink juice, real living juice, you are literally sipping sunlight. You're reminding your body, hey, it is safe to shine again. When you start your day with something alive, you show up different. You smile bigger. You move with purpose. You're light on your feet, not bogged down with the meats and the breads. Your energy walks into the room before you do. That routine of juicing, it gives you a pause button. Slicing, pouring, tasting. It's mindfulness in motion. Every step whispers, I am caring for me. Every sip is a little, I love you to your body. My first real juice moment, it wasn't fancy. Beet, ginger, lemon, apple. Beet, ginger, lemon, apple. But that first step after a stressful day, woo-wee, fasting and juice, and I did it for months and months. It felt like I was drinking peace. What foods, drinks, or thoughts light you up? And which ones drain your glow? Now, if you know, you know. Your energy will always tell you what nourishes and what depletes. Listen to your gut, right? Today, let today be the day. Make one juice that makes you feel happy. Add something bright. Pineapple, orange, mango, or lemon. What else can I add to my life that feels this good? When you feed yourself joy, you radiate it. If you are ready to start juicing without the overwhelm, grab my 3-day juicing quick start. It's the perfect intro to delicious, vibrant, high energy living. It's on my stand store. And tomorrow we are going from liquid to solid. Day 9, Growvember. We are eating to evolve, feeding our frequency. Till then, drink your juice, smile, and stay high. I'll see you in the next